Well, this is another video um, of this lady. She lives right here without rent. And this is my sitting area. I sit down here a little bit sometime, like weekends especially. Have some coffee with myself. Yeah, I drink with myself. Coffee or something. No liquor because I don't drink. And this lady, she lives up there. Yeah, you can see. She doesn't pay any rent. I said, all right, you know what? You enjoy staying here as long as you want. Yeah, people say that it's kind of blessing them because none of my neighbor's house has that kind of situation. No birds make any nest, build any nest um, like in front of their houses. So they told me that, hey, you know what, you have blessing. These people, these birds, they don't make houses like randomly. They choose the one they like, and the one they bless, a blessed one. So I'm happy that they are living with me. Like, I don't mind. And especially in the rainy days, what I do, I leave some food so they can they can enjoy their staying here. I put it here so they don't have any problem. And this is actually, and I have some, yeah. Oh, here he is. Oh man, he's hiding his shine. Yeah. No, it's okay. You can make baby. I don't have any problem. Yeah, you see that? This, you can't see, but I can see. Yeah. Okay. I can see that. The guy. Yeah. All right. That's all right. I have no problem with them. And yeah, it's a little quiet neighborhood, and I like that way. That's why I'm here. All right. Thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe. Please. Thank you.